Take us through what's going to drive market sentiments this week?
Well, currently there's very thin trading, and if we look forward, really there's nothing for investors to look at in terms of earnings outlook. Really, if you look at what we've been seeing in the market, we are seeing a lot of event-driven trading, very little in terms of fundamentals. But we are seeing investors starting to position themselves for September, the third quarter results and a bit of first half results. We have Safaricom first half results coming up probably end of October. So we're seeing a bit of position taking on that, but really nothing significant per se.
What are your key stock picks for this week?
We don't expect too much movement, but I would just say Safaricom is a counter to watch out. We think that the earnings coming out of the first half could be much stronger than investors expect. Housing finance, Centum, Kenya Commercial Bank, all these are counters to just watch out for.
Well, the reports coming out of Kenya say that options for jump-starting the economy of Kenya is running out. So is Kenya's economy in trouble right now?
Well, a little bit, but there's a lot of effort coming in on the part of government, especially in infrastructure investments, and we think that could help kickstart quite a bit of the things which are slowing down. If you look at the private sector in general, it's been slowing. So they're really looking at government investments to really spur the economy.
Well, growth data for the last 6 months shows that the economy has lost its recovery tempo. So what is the growth forecast at currently?
Well, in the first quarter, we did about 3.5%, and in the second quarter, that slowed a little bit to about 2.4% based on the provisional figures. Going forward to the full year, we could see an average of about 2% growth for the year.
And they've got a stimulus package of about 22 billion shillings being injected into the economy. How exactly is it going to be filtering down to different sectors? Which sectors are going to get it the most?
Well, actually, infrastructure is what is getting most in most of the planned investments. I suspect the figure is much higher than that, and the bulk is really going to developing the transport, basically infrastructure, which is really creating bottlenecks even for the private sector. So generally we expect that to probably flow indirectly to the other sectors of the economy.